did Selassie come to Jamaica?
Me. 1960. 1961.
1963. 1959.
King Selassie came to Jamaica 1966.
Me not answer my question.
No, you never night. You can eat the food. You never eat the food.
But I think me out there.
You never say what? You never know.
Yes.
Oh, you know.
Early times, and I'll be 1963, but I got 1965.
And 1966.
Yes,
No,
1965.
because you know a 3 year.
Fire! You wicked ball when no in all time.
No, that's good.